everyone. Today I will show you how to integrate MailerLite with SeaChat. SeaChat is an AI agent builder, and we have this nice integration that you can integrate with MailerLite. MailerLite is a leading email marketing software. Actually, CISO.ai also uses MailerLite to manage our emails and customer relations. So wouldn't it be nice if anyone who starts to chat with you, for example here, you can collect their email and also just add them to the mailing list. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. So here I have a SeaChat voice and chat agent. It supports both text and calls, but today we're just going to focus on the text agent part. This is called ABC Customer Service Bot. Of course, this is going to be a demo chatbot. We have a lot of nice features here, but I'm not going to go into that today. Today, we're going to be just focused on the integration part with MailerLite. MailerLite is here. See here, we have a list of integrations. So once you click on it, you can see there's a form here. Whenever someone starts to chat with you, this form will pop up, and at the very minimum, you can collect the email because that's what the minimum information we need for MailerLite mailing service. But at the same time, you can also collect other information such as name, last name, their company, and phone number. So I'm gonna give my form a name. This is gonna be my MailerLite customer info collection. And here you can give it a title. Please share your info. So this is gonna be my title. I'm gonna just make email required, and the other field are optional. They will show up, but the customer doesn't need to necessarily fill out these forms. And the next step here, you see the MailerLite API key. So on MailerLite, if you haven't used their any integrations, you can actually configure your integrations here with Developer API. This might sound complicated, but it's just like a key where you can connect your external app, such as SeaChat, with MailerLite. So let's go ahead and generate a new token. Here I have a list of other tokens we're using, but let's go ahead and generate a new one. And this is gonna be my SeaChat MailerLite key for forms. And then I can enable OIP, which is what I'm gonna do. Or you can have an IP allow this is gonna be a more advanced features. So I'm gonna do that, and I can create the token. And here I have the token. Note that if you don't save this token, you will just have to regenerate it again. This wouldn't show up. It's hard to retrieve again. So once you generate a token, make sure you copy it and save it to a safe space. You can also download it to your computer. I just did that. That's like a backup. So yeah, now we have the token. Let's go back to SeaChat and configure it. So here is the API key. Now that you've configured your MailerLite API token and also paste it to SeaChat here, optionally you can also add these these contacts collected by the form to specific groups. Groups are used on MailerLite to manage all your contacts. Maybe you can separate by what kind of products they use, or you can separate them by different marketing channels. So here we have a lot of group IDs and groups. You can find the group IDs here. Say that I want to just add all the content and just collect it to this list. I can go ahead and copy this group ID, come back here, paste the group ID, and then it will, whenever someone submits a form, it will get automatically added to that group ID. You can also add multiple groups. For example, that's one group ID. I can just add another one here. This is like a fake placeholder group ID, but you get the idea. That's it. I'm not gonna use any group ID. Just in general, I'm gonna add the person to the subscribers list. Go ahead and save it. Before you proceed, make sure you enable this form so it will pop up. Save. Let's go ahead and test it. And you can click on Test AI Agent here. So here I'm at a new session. I'm pretending to be a new guest. I'm gonna go ahead and enter my email. Let's say test123@gmail.com. Pretending this is my email, and I'm gonna call myself Amy. And click. This is my MailerLite portal. If I refresh, see, test123. I'm gonna delete this email later since this is not a real email. But as new customers coming in and they fill out the form, all of them will come directly to this mailing list. This actually solves a very common problem where MailerLite users have a lot of incoming inbound leads from chatbots, but they cannot necessarily import those contacts without some manual work. With this integration, you can easily integrate with your customer service bot using SeaChat and add all the inbound leads directly into your mailing list. I hope you find this feature helpful, and thank you for watching.